Everyone, so quick overview of voice speak analyzer app. So here is the app. And basically the idea of it is you can analyze either your voice appears more male or female. So I'll just show you right now how it works, but the idea if you just show you right now how it works, but the idea is you just download that. You don't need an account, it's a free app, and you just read the text which is given to you an idea either your voice is more male or female. It's in male range or female. Let's try it out. So this is how the home tab looks like for this app, and then I can just read the text reappears from the time to time between his explorer and alternative prefix shop. As an ornament or oratory, he hoisted the Union Jack of the pinnacles, blah blah blah, and then it will analyze it and it will tell me how, as you can see, it's kind of a male range, or it's a idea stats of a previous tries. So that's the idea of what. And to properly analyze the pitch you need about 1 minute of video recording, and of course you are free to say anything else as long as it's in your natural voice. So there you have it, and that's the app. Try it out, it's pretty popular, right? Try it out just for fun and try it with your friends, and remember to put a like and subscribe, it's super appreciated.